Hello and welcome to our channel. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who's fighting their own battles today. Your support helps us reach more souls ready to rediscover their strength. And when this message ends, drop a comment below and tell us, I choose to rise again. Now, take a deep breath. Let's walk together into the fire and come out stronger. This is self-mastery, the power to rise again. At some point in life, everyone falls. Maybe it's failure, heartbreak, betrayal, or simply losing yourself in the noise of the world. You find yourself staring at the floor, wondering how it all slipped away. But remember this. Falling is not the end. It's an invitation to rebuild, to grow, and to rise higher than before. Because life doesn't break you to destroy you. It breaks you to rebuild you stronger. Pain is not punishment. It's a teacher. It strips away illusion and shows you what truly matters. When you're at your lowest, you meet the real you. The part that can't be shaken, the part that refuses to quit, and that part is where your power begins. When you stop running from pain and start learning from it, you turn wounds into wisdom. That's the essence of self-mastery, transforming struggle into strength. The first step to rising again is taking responsibility, not for what happened, but for how you respond. You can't always control life, but you can always control your reaction to it. Victims wait for rescue. Masters build their way out. Self-mastery means saying, I am in charge of me. You become unstoppable when you realize that your mindset is the architect of your reality. Every single day, you're given a choice. Stay down or rise again. You can't control the storm, but you can choose to keep walking through it. You can choose courage over comfort. You can choose growth over fear. The power to rise doesn't come from the outside. It comes from every small decision that says, I will not give up. Self-mastery is not a feeling, it's a practice. Discipline is the bridge between who you are and who you can become. When the world says rest, you move. When your mind says quit, you whisper, just one more step. Discipline doesn't shout, it proves. Every repetition, every early morning, every sacrifice is a brick in the foundation of your power. That's where transformation begins. Real growth doesn't happen in front of crowds. It happens when no one's watching, when you choose focus over distraction, when you keep promises to yourself. The quiet work creates loud results. The unseen effort creates visible change. Self-mastery is the art of doing what needs to be done. Even when no one is cheering, the hardest war you'll ever fight is the one inside your mind. Doubt, fear, insecurity, they whisper that you're not enough. But here's the truth. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Every time you challenge a limiting belief, you take back your power. Every time you choose faith over fear, you reclaim control of your destiny. The mind is your greatest weapon, but only when you learn to master it. Resilience isn't about never falling. It's about rising every time you do. It's waking up after failure and saying, I'm not done yet. It's standing tall even when your legs shake. It's choosing hope when everything around you screams despair. You were built to bend, not break. You were born to rise again every time. There's a fire within you that can never be extinguished. It burns quietly beneath the ashes of your setbacks. And when the time comes, it rises fierce, bright, unstoppable. Like the phoenix, you are reborn through your own flames. Every time life burns you down, you rise wiser, stronger, more powerful than before. That is the power of self-mastery, to use your ashes as fuel. But you don't grow when it's easy. You grow when it's hard. The pain you feel today becomes the strength you rely on tomorrow. The challenges that test you also train you. So stop asking, why me? Start saying, try me. Because every obstacle you face is shaping you into the warrior you were meant to be. But when things fall apart, have faith. Not blind hope, but trust in the process. The universe is not against you. It's refining you. Sometimes you lose what you wanted to make room for what you deserve. Sometimes the detour is the destiny. Keep walking, keep believing, because every season of struggle prepares you for a season of power. Big in a world full of distractions, self-mastery is rebellion. It's choosing peace over drama, focus over chaos, purpose over pleasure. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. You just need to live in alignment with your truth. When you stop chasing validation, you rise above the noise. You become free, and freedom is the ultimate power. There comes a moment when you finally see everything you were searching for has always been inside you. The strength, the courage, the peace, it was never missing. It was waiting for you to notice it. That moment of clarity changes everything. You stop waiting for life to fix itself and start creating the life you were meant to live. Self-mastery isn't perfection, it's progress. It's knowing who you are and refusing to be less. It's leading yourself with purpose, even when you feel lost. It's choosing wisdom over impulse and integrity over convenience. Self-mastery is the discipline to rise again and again, no matter how many times you fall. You've fallen before, but you're still here. You've faced storms, but you're still standing. That means you are powerful. That means you are resilient. That means you are unstoppable. Every scar you carry is proof that you survived what was meant to break you. Every step forward is a victory. You are not defined by your fall. You are defined by your rise. You are the master of your fate. You are the captain of your soul. And no matter how many times you fall, you have the power to rise again. Your future begins now, not tomorrow, not someday, now. So take this message and live it. Rise with courage, act with purpose, lead with heart. If this video awakened something inside you, click like, subscribe, and comment below with the words, I rise again. And share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Because your strength could be the spark that helps them rise too. You are not broken. You are becoming. This is self-mastery. This is the power to rise again.